I am Heather Cuthbert here at the Green Spoon Studio Kitchen. Very exciting. Today I'm going to make you a really nice banana nut butter ice cream from my very own cookbook here. You can find the recipe inside. I'm a nutritional therapist myself, so I see clients, and I've just opened my dream cafe at the Village Market in the new wing called Heather's Kitchen, full of nourishing, healthy goodies, lunch, breakfast, power lattes, cold pressed juices. So I'd love to see you guys all there. So my passion is obviously nutrition and creating really healthy, nourishing food. Without using kind of processed sugar and any nasties like that. The ingredients we're going to use are some really nice ripe frozen bananas, some Nuts About Nutrition nut butter. So this is my mixed nut butter. So it's made with almonds, cashew nuts, and macadamia. Really delicious. We're also going to use some Kente's coconut cream, some baobab powders, and then to top, we're just going to use some chopped up almonds, really easy, some cacao nibs. So I use Epicurious hedgehog. Really nice, nice crunch to that, to the topping. You can also use my Nuts About Nutrition Mega granola as a nice top for the ice cream. So those are my ingredients today. For this recipe, you basically need just a simple food processor like this one. You could also use like a really nice high powered blender like a Vitamix, which would work really well. So this is perfect for today. We then put our sliced and frozen bananas into the blender, so in they go, followed by 2 tablespoons of coconut cream, and then a tablespoon of this lovely creamy mixed nut butter. And then today we're going to use baobab powder. In my recipe, in my book, I use a little bit of Himalayan salt for like a salted caramel taste. This one I'm going to do kind of a kid's version, so we're not going to put salt, we're going to put baobab powder, which is full of vitamin C, great for kind of fending off all these bugs that are going around at the moment. Now we're just going to blend everything together. It might make a lot of noise. Just hold on tight to your blender. Make sure there's no lumpy bits. Okay. So now it's completely ready. We can just remove the blade and we just scoop it out. And there's your ice cream. And also the healthiest, nutritious ice cream full of protein with the nut butter, beneficial fats as well, and with a nice coconut, and sweetened purely with banana. We can now top it how you like. For kids, they probably just like a little bit of banana on top. Just kind of scatter the banana. Lovely. They might actually like a little bit of nut butter drizzled on theirs. Kids kind of like that kind of drizzle. So we can do a little bit like that. Then if it's for kind of a dinner party for adults, etc., they would like a little bit of the cacao nibs. Really delicious. I sometimes like to showcase the ingredients that I've used. So we've used banana in it. We've used nut butter. So I've just chopped up a few almonds for the top. You could chop up the macadamias or the cashew nuts, which are in the nut butter too. And there you go. There you have it. Ice cream bowl. This is Tally from Green Spoon. She's going to taste the ice cream today. So have a try, Tally. What do you think?
I'm super excited to taste this.
What do you think?
Oh my goodness. I love the way it can taste. There's peanut butter in there.
Yeah, nut butter.
And then there's some, the banana is so creamy and it's healthy, sweet and healthy.
Yeah,
I love
exactly.
it.
Oh, I'm so glad.
That's how good it is.
Oh, I'm so glad. Thumbs up. And remember, you can get all the ingredients I've used today from Green Spoon. So get ordering.